Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in today's update about Telcoin, we are going to answer a very important question. Given the fact that recently we got starting from the lowest low to about here, about like, let's say a 25% move on the upside, can we argue that we are actually bullish and the final low might be already in? So let's start counting waves. And if you remember, specifically in the previous video, when we were around these areas, we were talking about a continuation of this move down. And the idea was that maybe these are like a series of 1-2s. And that specific scenario, now I'm going to say, is a bit invalidated. Why? Because this move up doesn't really add up with any of these small moves on the upside. So it basically cannot be on the same degree as them. So what's the idea? I still believe we can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down. Now you can say maybe the end of our wave 3 is in here, followed by that a correction for 4, and then what are we going to do? Maybe we are going to have soon another move on the downside into our wave 5. Why do I like this scenario, and why is it that I want to still in Telcoin argue that we are bearish? You know the answer if you have watched the previous update. You see, this chart is from trading view, and when you go, for example, on KuCoin's chart, we actually do not have this important shadow, and the highest side is right around here. Now, in Telcoin, pay attention, recently in this phase down, we took this important low down here about 0.43 cents. And why is that important? Because now finding a 5 wave starting from here to about this high is going to be extremely challenging. And this structure, in my opinion at least, look a hell of a lot of just a single ABC zigzag, meaning our move down is going to continue. And in it, what are we going to do? We are probably going to take the lowest low all the way down here about, let's say, 0.35 cents. And have we done that or not? Let's hide everything. Okay, as you can see, no, we haven't taken the lows yet. So makes sense to overall be a bit careful and also a bit patient. And I want to be very clear, in Telcoin at the moment, I really do not see a buy or maybe even a short opportunity. And just because I might have a decent idea of what the price is going to do in the next 24 to maybe 48 hours doesn't mean that I should trade that move. Okay, it's very important to understand that. Now let's go on 15-minute chart. Okay, you see, I would have actually all the way down here bet my left ear that we are doing a 1 correction for 2, big move up into wave 3, correction for 4, another move on the downside into wave 5. And while sure that might be a still in play, I don't really believe that is going to happen. Why? It's because this move up seems to be quite strong. So what is the idea? I'm gonna say we are going to, in this phase, continue our move in order to take the highest high in here for the first target, about, let's say, 0.46, but I think we can go a bit higher, and a better target, for example, can be somewhere around the 0.48 or maybe even 0.49 of a cent. That can happen. However, overall, maybe we are going to have the sub waves for, you know what I'm about to say, an ABC zigzag, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up into a correction for wave B. Let's say this time WXY, and yet another impulse on the upside into our ceiling. Now let's go on the live chart and count some waves. So I'm gonna argue now this is gonna be an A, B, a 5 wave down into our ceiling. Also, this might be starting from here, a wave 1 correction for wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up to about here or here, not important, into wave 3, correction for 4, and yet another move on the upside into wave 5. So essentially, in the short term, you are having 5 wave up followed by a correction down, and well, this might be a bit of a bullish setup. And if you do not want to be as pessimistic as me, okay, fair enough, maybe this is a 1, 2, and then we are going to have a massive move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5, which basically suggests the final low in Telcoin is already at. This scenario, do not get me wrong, is possible, but at least at the moment, I do not really like it as my primary one. In my primary case, I'm just going to argue that this is going to be yet another 5 wave on the upside, and on a higher degree, these might be the sub waves for a simple ABC zigzag. And what's going to happen next? You know the answer. Probably and unfortunately a continuation of the move down in order to take the lowest low all the way down here. Excuse me, as you can see, about 0.35 cents. Is it going to be such a bad sign? No, I don't really think so. In Telcoin, I do still believe that this whole move down, starting from the highest high about 1.3 cents, is a correction and not an impulse, and after it's over we are probably going to have yet another magnificent phase of the bull run, which in it we're going to take the highest high for the first target, but I think we are most likely not going to stop there, because a better target can be somewhere around the 2 cents resistance area, which is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time. So you see, overall in the mid to long term in TEL, I am absolutely bullish, but in the short term the picture is a bit complicated, and until we don't really get some clear bullish structures, I think we need to be seriously careful. Finally, let's check out some indicators and see is something new going on, and let's start by checking weekly chart. Let's zoom more. Okay, so what do we have? Unfortunately, still sell signals in MACD and stock RSI at the same time, which is definitely a bearish sign. And I know now you are going to argue, since we are somewhere around the oversold area in stock RSI, this might be a bit of a bullish signal, and do not get me wrong, it actually is, but this doesn't tell you that in the short term we are not going to have, for example, another 20-25% move down. We can very well do that, and then from that area, after taking the lowest low, we can absolutely have a very strong move on the upside, which I do believe that we are going to do that. But for now, I don't really believe that we are having a whole lot of good signs on weekly chart if you want to go just based on indicators. Now, what is happening in daily time frame? Okay, the story in here can be a bit different, because in stock RSI we already have a buy signal. Okay, that's not bad. And in MACD, okay, we do not have a buy signal yet, but it seems like that we are getting one. Now, here's a very important point. This signal at the moment is not confirmed yet. You need to wait until the current daily candle closes, basically until the end of the day. And at that point, if we still have this thing, you know what, fair enough. In the short term, this can be an optimistic sign suggesting our move up is going to continue. And again, this once more does align with what we said earlier, meaning the fact that we are having in here most likely a 1 2 3 4 5, and this move up can continue, and in it we are going to most likely take the highest side for the first target about 0.46 of a cents, and maybe we are going to go a bit higher than that. But please at that point, remember that overall this might be just a very simple ABC zigzag. What needs to happen in Telcoin for me to change my mind a bit? Okay, I need to see this move on the upside getting extended and being quite a strong and sharp one. Why? Because at that point I might be able to argue that this is 1 2 big move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Otherwise, if we get a simple move up and followed by that a very strong and sharp move down, maybe like a 1 2 3 4 5 wave without a lot of overlapping of the base wall, okay, that just means that we are absolutely going according to the bearish roadmap. So overall, a lot of signs for the next 12 to 24, maybe even 48 hours suggests that we are going to continue this move up. But if you want to be like 100% bullish in the midterm, I think it's a little bit too soon to jump into that kind of optimistic conclusions and argue the final low in TEL is already in. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Telcoin. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.